Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Toast from Bee and PuppyCat. Alright, so before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any of that stuff is incredible. And let's just jump right on into it. Let's see. We're going to start with, let's start with some hair. I'm going to do like a little chunk right here and come across, do another little chunky spot here and another one and a piece like that. So from here, let's go down a little bit and do a little curvy chunky piece. And then we're going to curve on down and do another little curvy chunky piece. And a bit more, another little curvy chunky piece. And go on up like that. A little chunk on the other side. Another one. And bring that on up a bit. Do another little pointy piece. And let's see, over here, let's work on the shape of the face. So I'm going to start here and come on down a bit. And we're curving on down. And going inward here. So now let's do the facial features. So let's do some eyes. We're going to do a little curve here and a circle and then a little slanted eyebrow. Now over here we can do the same thing. A little circle, and we can do like a little pointed nose. And let's do an open mouth and a little line, and come on up for some teeth and a little hill for a tongue, and then we can color the rest in black. All right, so now on this side, let's do some more hair. We're curving on down, doing a little chunk here and a little chunk right here. We can do a little line here for part of the neck. Do a curve here. It's going to be a little part of like a collar she's got on her neck. Part of her outfit. Do another bit right there. And we can do a little line here for a bit of a shoulder. And have a little curve here for another chunk of hair. And let's see. Let's do a little curve here for a bit of a chest area. And then bring this down, curve on up. And then another chunk of hair. And right here, let's do like almost like a V shape for the neckline. And we're going to have a line here and a line here connecting to the outfit. And right here, we're going to bring this line down a little bit and come on out this way. And right here, we're going to come on inward a bit and then outward. And now she's got some really, really long legs. So let's bring these lines down. And we're going to curve here for a foot. And then come on up. And right here, we're going to do a little bit of a curve here. And this line is going to meet with this point. And then we're going to do another curve right here. And do another super duper long leg. And bring it down another line, of course, for the other part of the leg. And bit of a foot. Now let's draw a line going across this way, but we're going to do a little V shape in the middle And then at the bottom of the V shape, we're going to do a little diamond shape. And then curve along here, do a little line on the bottom of the boot for the sole of the boot. And same on the other side. Now let's work on some more hair. So up top here, do another little curve, another little chunky spot. Curve like that. And another one, and another one. And we can do a little funny top of the head like this. And let's do a glove. So big curve like that. And a little shape there. And a little curve here. And do a diamond on the glove. And now bring down a little line. And another one. And we'll do a curve here for an elbow. And another line that's going towards her shoulder. And over here we're going to have a hand on the hip. So we're going to do a curve and then come on up and curve in like that. And we can do part of a diamond shape. And another little curve here. And bring this on up. And a line there. And come on down like that. So now we got to finish up the hair. So over on this side, we're going to curve, do a little point there, and then come on down. Just got lots of hair, super long, lots of body to the hair. Lots of curves, lots of points. All right, so now we've got our drawing done, and I'm going to get started on the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everybody, goodbye.